Yo, do you like to go fast? Are you like my boy Maverick and you got the need for speed? My name is Kyle Eastern, I'm with Jump15.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to jump rope fast. Because hey, jump rope skills in and of themselves are awesome. But when you master jump rope speed and then you add in coordination, agility, and finesse, it takes you to a whole new level of awesome. And not only that, it's going to take your jump rope workouts to a whole other level as well. So if you're ready to add speed to your jump rope game, let's do this. The number one skill in learning to jump rope fast is learning how to jump low. This is a learned skill, and I suggest practicing without your jump rope first. Notice that no knee flex is occurring. This movement is done through the ankle and is a very abbreviated beginning of a calf raise with a slight raise of the toes. Compare this with what most people do, jumping through the toes, generating more force and height. This leaves you in the air longer and makes your rope tempo slower. Once you get the feel for the low jump without your rope, add your jump rope into the mix. Start with a single jump and reset as shown here. See how low you can jump with the rope still passing under your feet. This drill will help you gain confidence that the rope will make it under your feet even while you're jumping really low. Now you can practice jumping consecutively. When learning this myself, I like to ease my way into the new faster speed by starting slower with a higher jump and gradually lowering my jump and increasing my rope speed. This way you can find a faster speed that you are still comfortable maintaining and over time continue to push your limits without constant trip-ups. Rope length is important here. You want your jump rope to be skimming the floor. Having too much rope hit the floor can cause it to kick up into your feet. This problem can be magnified when comboed with a low jump. Here I am using the boxer skip skill. As you can see, I am still jumping very low, which allows me to keep the rope speed up. If you want to learn the boxer skip, I have this tutorial linked in the top right of the screen. For developing max speed, you need to use the alternate leg or sprint skill shown here. It is like running in place and allows you to go much faster than any other skill. Again, start slow and gradually increase speed so you can get the feel for the footwork and maintain control. Practice getting up to your highest speed in which you can maintain for 15 to 30 seconds and do intervals such as 10 sets of 15 to 30 seconds jump rope sprints with 15-second rests between. Getting good at speeding up and slowing down is going to give you great tempo control. This will help you develop good feel for your rope and allow you to change speed at any given time. If you want to maximize your rope speed, you can play around with shortening your rope. Just be careful if you are cutting your rope. A little goes a long way and you can't put it back. As you fatigue, pay careful attention to form and technique. Wrist rotation can get out of sync with one another or stop altogether on one side. One or both hands can rise out of position, causing you to trip up. If trip-ups start occurring, the first thing to check is form and technique. All right, are you ready to jump rope fast? Let's do a quick recap. Number one, you want to learn to jump low. 2, you want to be able to gradually increase and decrease your jump rope speed so you can gain overall rope control. 3, do interval work of 15 to 30 seconds in order to increase your jump rope speed stamina. And 4, always jump with form and technique in mind so you don't ingrain bad habits, because that's only going to set you back in the long run. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. and let me know in the comments what you found most helpful. Subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos coming at you every week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.